Thank you for the thumbs up. I want more. Stay awake. Yeah. Thank you for the thumbs up. Gusto kong magsumbong. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for making my night. Spot. Thank you, Sexy, for coming alive. Lamig. Cold. Seriously, without makeup. Also, you are looking so pageantry. I can't control myself. KJ. KJ. Where from, KJ? Hi, 10 million here. Thank you guys. Thank you for that one. May I join you in the bed? Oh my god. Pumati ang ulo ko. I'm your biggest fan, biggest lover. Oh my god. Really? Where you from, KJ? Where you from? No. So big. We never see you before. Huh? Mm. Hello there. Morning. Morning. EGR. EGR. Have a beautiful day. Thank you. I'm sorry if I said anything wrong. If I said anything wrong. No, it's not. It's okay. It's fine, KJ. Nothing wrong. You're okay, KJ. Where are you from, guys? Thank you for the thumbs up. you need to delete KJ. If you see something wrong, I will do it, but you're okay. Oh, hell no. Ayan. Ah, ang sakit. Get my tent. Hello. Hi. How old are you? I'm 40. 40 years old. 40. 40. Hi, Kevin. My tent. Thank you for the thumbs up. Are you married? I'm not married. I'm not married. Never married. Never been married. Why you say? Why you ask? Where are you from? Oh my god, no, you are so beautiful. Really? Where are you from? City. Asij. Asi. Aseja. Aseja. Where from? Aseja. Yeah. Where from? Aseja. Ah, oh yes, I remember. Remember. From Bosnia. Can you give me coffee? Hi, Golden. Hello. I want coffee. Oh my god. My tummy, tummy. Oh, are you broke? Broke. I'm not broke. Oh, I'm not broke. I don't want to feel broke. I hate so broke. Thank you for the 10 people watching now. Thank you. Maybe I need to get up. I need to work because I need to be early today. Oh my god. Bosnia. Is it from Europe? Bosnia. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you, Golden, for my channel. Salamat, Golden. Oh my god. Thank you, Golden. You're welcome. You fall asleep early. Yeah. And I wake up early. Wake up early for 5 in the morning now here. Hey Tim. So right. I need to get up, get up, get up. Yummy. I tummy. My God. It's alright. She wanted some what? Some antiques. Why you got team up at 5 a.m.? Huh? Some of what? I'm in Texas. Who going to turn that down? I want some. Who going to turn that down? Who? What do you mean? It's alright. I don't understand nothing. And nothing? I want to know. It's Cheryl. It's huh? It's why you tell her? She has no clue. My God. Who want to like me that? To do that me? To do I miss that. I miss it. I like it. But I'm nothing. Nothing. Empty. I'm alone. No one can hug me. Kiss me. Mm. Cuddle. She has only been with one man and knows nothing about men. Cheryl, shut up. Huh? Shut. I bet I can ask her question and she will just answer our team. What? Okay. What? Okay. What is your question, Galvin? It's alright. Ask me. What is that? Go faster. It's alright. Oh God. Where? Where? Never French kiss. Never French kiss. What French kiss? Really? I made her Google it. Ah, okay. Okay. Nothing. I'm just saying because she was saying thing as if she know how to kiss. I bet. Okay, I know how to kiss. Like, let me. Huh? It's alright. This girl. I know how to kiss. That is kissing to go to back to sleep. Help me. I know how to kiss. Oh my god. What you saying? Not kissing. You have no clue. Huh? Mm, it's alright. Julius Kainata Gaitana. Hindi ka welcome dito. Faster and good. It's alright. Go ahead, ask her a question, Golden. Just keep it quiet. What is your question, Golden? Tell me, Golden. Try. No, I. Inside out. Give me, give me, give me. Hi, I want you. Damn, I don't know. I'm losing right now. What I just seen. What do she know? What do you? She know what? She has no clue on anything. She will. What? Tim, I don't. What? She doesn't even know her brother. Tim. Good. Oh my god. Yeah, I see that. 3B. 3EB. My bra size. 3AB. Oh, I know now. 3EB. It's alright. What else? What size? 3AB. 32B. 32B. That's a trainer bra. Renewables. Eh, my God. It's so nice. Middle size. The middle size is, I don't know. I don't know. I have no. I don't. Oh my God. I don't know. Sexy body. Sexy body. Uh, why are you touching? Because you said it's a middle size. Oh, it's middle. Ashley wears a bigger than Biden. Oh my God. Him. Cute. It's alright. Don't mean you need to. Yeah. Okay. I want to touch. Bakit? I touch myself na lang. I'm good. Just stop talking, Sharon. What? Coffee. Uh, good morning here in the Philippines, and good afternoon in other country. Things you are saying are crazy. Okay. Crazy? Why crazy? I'm crazy for you. Finally, my heart. Oh my crazy love. Hello, how are you doing? Hi, Max Morat. Hello. Hi, Jamie. Welcome back here again. That's that's the way it is. That's that's the coffee cup say. Yeah, coffee cup. What is a coffee cup? Take my heart. The coffee cup say, take my heart. Take my hand. This is swap. We're not on him. Oh my God. Damn. Hello, Mehmet. Miraba. Miraba, hello. Oh my God, Tim. You're so, what I call, so cagey. Your reaction are funny. Turkey, yeah. I'm so right. You are so wrong. It's normal. Yeah, it's normal. My God. I don't know. who you have inside your heart, but I'm pretty sure my heart belongs. Ah, I know you're kidding, Jamie. You're just joking. Everybody have it. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. It's fine. Don't be shy. It's really sure. What do you want to show me every day? You want to show me every day? I want to show everything. Do you want? Oh my god. And she's not lying. Yeah. I want to show, but them said, "Oh my God, Jesus Christ, no, no." I believe that part. Jamie, thank you for your heart. Not here on video call. That was fast. You need to watch her shower. No shower here. You know, we're not a shower. Can I join that call too? Huh? I'm joking. I know you're joking. But bad internet, good services show, you know what I mean. Nothing, damn it. Sammy, who's that girl? Who's that freaking? Who's that girl? And you don't have shower. Okay, watch her back at back. Matt, I'm a Matt. You want banana? I like banana. Very smooth. You are very welcome. We have to be respectful to this beautiful lady. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you, Jamie. Sen. Oh my god. Thank you so much. that girl. Did you have a good night's sleep? Yeah, because I sleep early, then wake up early. That not to me. I need to say. Oh my God! I see you through color shining through. That's when I love you. Don't be afraid to color, true colors. Awesome that I'm not that sure. Oh my, awesome that's how keep your beauty. When we were sleeping, I was keeping a mental picture of your beautiful smile. Yep, yep. Banana mood. What's with the face? You said you're gonna eat a banana. Jimmy is a real life stalker. Look what Tim said. Look what Tim did. Somebody else that gone. Huh? She shows who love her. She will get more allowance tomorrow. So how's your schedule for today? Today, today as I'm going to I need to work early today. Yeah. Uh, she, you will send me more tomorrow, Tim. Oh my God. She loves allowance. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you doing? Yes, I guess so. Why you send, Ima? Why you send? Allowance, she need more than that. Why you send me? What happened? Allowance. Yes, hi. Huh? He already got some the other day, but I will send more tomorrow. Oh my god, why you send me? I don't understand. I felt beautiful. What happened? Because of the banana? Because of this? That's nice of you, Tim. Thank you, Tim. Timothy. Tell me who's that girl. Tell me who's that girl. Baccio, Baccio. Sam said, I don't know how to kiss, but it's just a kiss. Mm, I give her about 15K a month. I want more. Well, I wish you a wonderful day. I will keep you on my prayers. I'm looking forward for your account to be complete so I can send you stickers, little things that will make your life easier. Live to Hi, Didi. Call my attorney. Pick up the papers if you want more. Thank you, Jamie. Time is it now? Sometimes we fight, but in all it works. It works out. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay to argue. Bye bye. Bye bye. Well, sweet and lovely girl. Bye bye. Bye, Jamie. He will be back. Times. Oh my god. Time, time passed. Almost 1 hour, my life. Hey, where did go to your biggest fan? KG. Yeah, where you did KG? Where is he? I don't know. I forgot him. Where's Cherry? Hello, my hi, Jerry. Hello, Jerry. Thank you for joining. Hey, Jerry, a long time no see. Oh my God. Yes, Tim, I'll talk vacation. Oh, wow, that's great. What happened? You're going to the Philippines now? Okay, I need to explain to you if I'm arguing with someone. Don't chime in, it makes it worse. That's why I did time out. Okay, it makes it worse. That's why I did. I am who I am. Fair enough, Jerry. Oh my God. Well, but it has nothing to do with you. You are too hard on people, Tim. Wait, where's my? Oh, wait. Morning, Philippines. Jerry. Got it. Ha? Pagka gusto mo, gusto na lang. May pumunta ka sa Bicol natin. Pa? Meron yun. I got you, brother. Nice catch. Thank you. See, you don't see the whole picture. I give a lot of plea that you don't see when you're not here. Show a big catch. Hey there, like. Wait. Well, thank you, Golden. And there are a lot of stupid people that some days they don't take no for answer. I got your brother. I don't want to kick anyone out, but sometimes it has to be done. It's because it hurts you, the channel, but I understand. I kick ours much. I time out so they cannot come back. But we don't need those guys here anyways. This is getting more and more people. I always say if they are not talking nasty, just let them be. And me and here discuss anything that goes wrong in her life. So try to thank you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Get up, get up. Ano yung nagla? Bebes. Okay, nice na yan. but not. I don't even like cooking. Rather sit and watch. You should like it. See enough. Enjoy it. Thank you guys.
May na isagada ng impero na ang tanong puro isa. Sa kabagaan. Naniniwala. Di mo naniwala ang iba lasik ka na bago kung namatay na wala na. Bago kung namatay na wala naman. Wala naman wala. Ang tigas, ito. Kaya tao laman, natutunaw, spiritual yun, natunaw.
May mainit ang ate mo? Wala nga rin. Ay, gusto mo pa?
Ay, ito rin. Mayroon diyo.
Sige mo na. May kulay. To be free, I need to be free. I need to be free from Ah, okay, Cheryl, let's go. You have to work in an hour. Okay, bye bye. I need to shower. And the guys talking talk Cheryl, she talk with you guys. Don't worry about me. Just very speak talk so that oh my god. We lost her now. We when she cleans, you need to get ready for work, yeah. I need to be ready. People in your easy, don't forget to turn your clothes back. 1 hour tonight except Jerry and Jack.
Kaya man ako karan na blow.
Wara.
Ay daw.
Kay, wala.
Wala nga ni.
Dali, may isang parang dito.
Dira inahanap ko nga. Nagkapilag ko.
Dali. Suka. Thank you. Okay, okay. She got sure. Okay, I need to go there. What time is it now? Okay. It's okay. I'm not yet going. I'm going to shower. It's good always to see you there. Okay, shower. Okay, get going. Bye bye. Want to join the shower? Want to join? Who want to join me? I'm going to shower now. Sure, stop it. Sure, stop it now. Go. Okay, I'm just playing. If you like tea, try this brand Fahari. Okay. Tea, wow, I like tea. Bye, guys. Get off now. Shut up. Bye bye. Love you. Love you all. Thank you for joining here. See you next live. Bye bye.